Okay, ready?
Yeah. No.
Okay. Shame. Yeah, I'm also a second out of sync, so I'm gonna have to do that.
Wow, you suck.
I know.
You can map a weapon on gadget.
It caught me by surprise.
Oh.
At least I'm almost on top of my rendering now, apart from FF9.
Where is? Oh, where did this gun come from?
What? That's your rocket launcher.
Yeah, it just randomly appeared in my hand.
Hey ninjas, what you doing? I'm a small guy. Tiny.
Oh yeah, you can buy every weapon now, can't you, James? Because you got your 1 million bolt trophy.
Is it worth doing it?
Yeah, because there's a trophy for it.
Ah.
Buy everything and fully upgrade it all.
I don't really care about trophies.
Oh, well, in that case, you may as well buy everything.
Yeah. Mine is 500. Oh.
That's how much it costs to buy.
500.
Yeah, I have everything.
Okay, then, and we're ready to go.
For the zombie apocalypse.
Huh? What?
The trophy I got. And upgraded.
Yeah, that's fair. Like buying every weapon and then fully upgrading every weapon.
Yeah, I think I did got it just now too.
You don't have every weapon.
I upgraded all the arsenal thing.
No, you haven't, because you still got your Thunder Smack that hasn't been upgraded.
Yeah. Nah.
Oh, what the fuck? I couldn't see.
What you do?
Nothing. Nothing at all.
Water.
Oh, fuck.
We failed already.
I can't believe. Oh my days.
I was doing it to help you. I wouldn't put you in the water.
I know, and then I pressed triangle and it fucking got me onto Chris. Well, this is such an amazing start already.
Winter Wonderland. What was that for? Oh, what? Is it frozen?
No, it's a cutscene.
I wanted to check if there's anything down the bottom.
Yeah, I was just checking on top as well.
And started a cutscene.
Yeah.
Silly nub.
Cry.
It hurts.
I'm sorry I pushed you around in high school. You were smart and I was such a moron. I was gonna say Adonis, but if you want to be a jerk about it.
I'm sorry. You should know that even as I was wishing the Blarg would tear you apart limb from limb, so I could river dance around your smoldering, squishy carcass.
I think he doesn't like you, James.
Yeah.
Ah, the plumber. He's in every Ratchet Clank game.
He's a plumber, but he can fix spaceships.
He can fix everything. You always find him in the weirdest locations.
Wait, aren't you gonna give us some cryptic advice we can use to defeat Nevo?
Oh, sorry, friend. That kind of advice, I'm afraid I don't have. Good luck.
Okay.
By the way, that's the ice planet over.
Why didn't we finish that last time?
That's a very good point.
Oh, it's not over. Liar.
Ice planet is over.
What's this planet then?
This is Uzo City. This is the last world.
So what about that place at the bottom of the map I wanted to look at?
Ah.
Sam.
Slight problem with that.
Yeah, huh?
Yeah, there'll be nothing there.
Could have been a bolt like those.
Meh.
Shiny.
What was that?
What was that?
That was you pressing L2.
I'm over here.
Attention minions.
What's this thing?
That's
I'll pick them
nothing.
up.
Just arrived from the polar
Yeah, he's just chilling here on the edge.
Yeah. Some bolts here if anyone wants them.
Yeah, Chris, you need the bolts.
No, he's already spent money, so.
Well, I can at least get the trophy to upgrade the weapons, I guess.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Over here.
Yeah, proud now.
Up here. More bolts. Anything else? No.
Stay electric gun instead.
Remember your bolt here.
Yeah, James, come here. hit the switch here behind me. Oh, look at that.
Oh.
Wrong person.
Good.
Oh.
Right, Chris, can you hit that switch behind me?
Oh, behind you.
Yeah.
Alright. Good shit. Fail.
And again.
Yeah,
Yeah, you got it.
What do I press again? R1.
Circle. Oh, you press circle or R1. Chris, how are you on 47k already?
Yeah.
Because there was a lot of boxes.
I'm just beast like that.
Oh no. What? I don't have a gun.
Yeah, we have to destroy there. There we go.
Easy.
Now we can carry on. Yeah, all the boxes are gone, Chris.
Oh, hello.
Oh. What does the scan like then? Does it hurt us?
No. You failure. Chris, you're just wasting ammo there.
Why didn't they break then?
Oh.
It's weird.
Bye, Chris.
What the fuck? Sometimes I think it's hard to see where you are.
Hmm.
Like, I would
Like
be
now.
looking at you.
Yeah. By the way, there'll be another trophy towards the end of this stage, which we'll have to coordinate on.
Coordination, our main thing.
Ah. Shame it doesn't work half the time. Yeah, those one-shot you.
Guys.
Yeah, I died. Don't die, James. Don't die, James.
Oh shit. Did I hit it?
Oh, crap. Hang on. Right, someone equip the glob weapon.
Oh, that's why.
That's
Okay,
not the-
I'll do it. I'll do it. I'll do it.
Okay. I
Right,
almost
someone
got it.
pick up the thingy. Shoot it in there.
I'm working on it. Hold up. Let's turn around. Okay, that's
Fail. See how easy it's there. It's all on my own. Bye, guys. Lols.
What?
You fail.
What the f- I got bullshit on that. Chris?
What?
It killed me!
Stay alive, Chris.
Wee.
Looks like you're playing Little Big Planet.
Hmm. I can't believe it killed me.
Killed me too.
Yeah, but that's you. There's some boxes up here as well. James, you got a bolt here.
Oh, I do.
Yeah. Yeah, no matter how high you can jump, you have to do it this way.
I'm pretty sure I could have reached it.
Yeah, you could have done.
Blah, blah.
Kind of
No.
blur shit up.
They're aiming at me.
Oh
I'm
crap.
dead.
Get behind the cover, James. James, get behind cover! Okay, now try and revive me.
Oh shit.
Someone revive me. Thank you,
Oh
Chris.
my god. I'm dead.
Nah. I can't see anything.
Don't worry, I just blew everything up.
I'm out of screen.
We need to destroy
I
there.
just spawned and I'm already dead.
Balls. I got you. See, I got your back. Yeah, what you want to do with Ratchet and Clank is just keep jumping around everywhere. So you stay alive.
This thing won't die.
I'm shooting fucking another one.
There we go.
It doesn't help that we've kind of like locked the screen into this tiny little position.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's all come up here so we can actually see more.
Easy.
Right,
Oh,
we
shit.
aren't done yet.
Oops.
Yeah, he's dead. Right, you guys go on these switches. Easy peasy.